In this class, you will learn the Spanish definite articles. Artículos definidos. Hola, bienvenidos a otra clase de español o de castellano, como prefieran llamarlo. Hello and welcome to another Spanish class. En la clase de hoy vamos a aprender los artículos definidos. In today's class, we are going to learn the definite articles. In English, the definite article is the or the, T-H-E. In Spanish, the definite article indicates the gender of a noun. As a noun, we know is what gives a name to objects, things, animals, places, etc. And in Spanish, the definite article is in masculine and feminine. As I said, the definite article indicates the gender, whether masculine or feminine, of a noun. So, while in English the definite article is the or the, in Spanish it's for masculine singular, el, E-L, el. For feminine singular, it's la, L-A, la. For masculine plural, in Spanish, it's los, los, L-O-S. And for feminine plural, in Spanish, it's las, L-A-S, las. So now let's go over some examples. El coche, the car. Las niñas, the girls. La casa, the house. Los amigos, the friends. Amigos, friends, friends. I will more examples would be the book, el libro, the car, as I mentioned before, el coche. So the book is el libro, el coche. It's masculine, you see, singular. El barco, the boat. El músico, the musician. El músico, the musician. El padre, the father. El padre. El sofá, the sofa or the couch. La casa, the house. La mesa, the table. La silla, the chair. La toalla, the towel. La playa, the beach. Everybody likes to go to the beach, or most people like going to the beach. La playa. Now, plural, los libros, Los libros, the books. Los muebles, the furniture. Los niños, the boys. Los padres, the parents. Los padres, the parents. Los gatos, the cats. Los escalones, the steps. Now, feminine plural, some examples will be las casas, the houses. Las niñas, the girls. Las canciones, the songs. Las cucharas, the spoons. Las bombillas, the light bulbs. Bombillas, light bulbs. Las bombillas. Las maletas, the suitcases. So now you will be able to view with images the vocabulary and as well the definite articles in Spanish.
Masculine singular, el libro, the book. Feminine singular, la casa, the house. Masculine plural, los libros, the books. Feminine plural, las casas, the houses. Vocabulario, vocabulary. Libro, coche, barco, músico, padrino, padre, sofá, casa, mesa, silla, toalla, playa. Vocabulario plural, plural vocabulary. Libros, padres, casas, cucharas, muebles, gatos, niñas, bombillas, niños, escalones, canciones, maletas.
So let me repeat again. The definite article in English is the or the, T-H-E. The definite articles in Spanish indicate the gender of a noun. So remember that a noun is a word that names a person, an animal, an object, a place, an event, and so on. In Spanish, the definite articles are
El, la, los, las.
While in English, the definite article is the or the. In Spanish, the definite articles indicate the gender of a noun. And a noun, as I mentioned before, is a word that names a person, an animal, a place, an object, and more. So, in Spanish we have definite articles that are masculine and definite articles that are feminine, in singular and in plural. For example, the definite article masculine in Spanish is, and singular, is el. E-L. El. For example, el libro, the book. The definite article, singular, feminine, in Spanish is la. La. L-A. This would be, for example, in the sentence, la casa, the house. The definite article, masculine, plural, in Spanish is los. Los, which is spelled L-O-S. Los. For example, los coches, los amigos. Okay? The definite article, feminine, plural, in Spanish is las. Las. L-A-S. Las. For example, las flores. Las flores. The flowers. Las canciones. Las canciones. The songs. Las cucharas. Las cucharas. The spoons. Spoons. Cucharas. Okay, so continue practicing and join me for the next class, which we will learn the personal pronouns.
As soon as possible, I'll do live classes, so be sure to email me soon. Well, keep learning. Thank you, and watch the next Spanish grammar class. Please like, share, and subscribe. Por favor, dame un like, suscríbase y comparta.